is usually not worth the money to have your car's paint professionally fixed, if it only has a minor scratch. The disadvantage is that you will be driving around with unattractive scrapes on your vehicle. We're sure you had no idea you could do it yourself. It only takes a smidgeon of nail paint. If you can reasonably closely match the paint of your automobile, a tiny touch of nail polish will disguise the scratches, well enough that no one will notice them, unless they are looking for them. Scuffs on a car's paint job, or scratches, are simply undesirable. It is amazing how something so small can quickly ruin the aesthetic of the whole car. Simply grab a bottle of nail polish. Just ensure that it is the same color as your car's paint job and it'll be right as rain. Sure, it doesn't remove the issue, but it will make them less prominent until you are ready to get them repaired properly.